Hello everyone. So here's my project. It's called Governor. Governor simply is a cost governance tool for AI-assisted software development. So basically, it connects your Codex usage to actual GitHub work that it has helped produce. As we know, teams use Codex all the time to generate code, to push code nowadays. So teams can see the AI costs by each commit and by each pull request instead of just getting a single vague total. So setup is very simple. We have a setup page here. You connect your GitHub to your Governor account here, and you do a simple npm install for Governor latest. That basically installs Governor into your computer, and it will listen to your Codex sessions, which you are using to work on whichever repository you've connected Codex Governor to. So I've set up a simple demo repository here, and this is connected to my GitHub app for Governor. So we have two components to this application. You have the website, you have the backend, which does all the cost calculations for whatever work you get done on your repositories. You have the npm install, or sorry, you have the npm application for Governor, which listens to your Codex sessions, and then you have the GitHub app for Governor. So it's a fairly complicated system, but with GBD 5.6, I was able to build this intricate system and get it all connected and working together. So just want to show you guys a Codex session that I just recently pulled out. So I had a simple prompt over here to make me a fast website, and it has created a branch on that test repository that I just showed you. So let's go over to the repository over here. So it seems like it hasn't push this branch onto GitHub. So essentially, the npm application for Governor is looking at this Codex session. It's recording the token usage and calculating costs. So now, as you can see, the branch has been pushed. So we can do a pull request now. We can have a simple description here, as it helps for the PR receipts that we get later on. So we can just copy paste this onto our description. So now, shortly, you should see a PR receipt that pulls up. So as you can see, 8 cents is the estimated Codex cost. 8 usage events, 100% exact attribution. So that's basically, it's a percentage of how sure the system is that the calculation is correct. And then you have a short work context here that you get, which basically combines the work. It's like a summary of the work you've done, and it's combining it with the costs that were the costs of the Codex sessions. And then it also gives you a breakdown of the model that was used, how many input output tokens were generated. So here you go. And then this should also show up on your dashboards. So this one here is the repository that I just worked on. You see a cost estimate, and then you can also see the pull requests. So it also shows you the status of both the pull requests. So both are open right now. This one I worked on before. Gives you a cost breakdown, and there's not much going on in here, as this is a brand new demo repository that I just pulled up. But the more you work on it, the more you'll see data populating in here. You'll see more models and more cost estimates, and you'll also have some of these PRs being flagged for being too expensive compared to other PRs. And yeah, so this is what I have right now. And I used Codex extensively for planning the architecture of this very complicated software. And I also had it give me suggestions on what kind of metrics I could have it show on the dashboards. And you can also set a monthly budget for each repository. So if you set like a $1 budget, for example, because this is brand new, it can show you here how much of the budget has been used so far. And then it gives you a forecast of how much it thinks will be used in the coming month. So yeah, this is what I built here today. Hope you guys find it useful, and hope you guys enjoy using my application here. Thank you.